Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Pad 9, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So to get started, you want to hold your power button and select power off. Once the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. Now when you see the Honor logo, you can let go of the power button, but keep holding volume up. Once the screen goes black, you can let go of the volume up as well, and this will then take you to the recovery mode. In here we have a couple options like restart, which takes us back to Android, clear data, which consists of factory reset and wipe cache partition, update mode and safe mode. So anyway, I'm just gonna select restart and wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.